In this video, you will learn what happens with your baby this week, what happens to your body, things to do or consider this week. Feel free to leave a comment if you have questions. At 11 weeks pregnant, your baby's head is the largest part of the body. Everything else is slowly starting to get its shape, too. For example, the webbing between the toes and fingers. When you are 11 weeks pregnant, those membranes disappear and they become real toes and fingers. At 4.2 centimeters and 8 grams, your baby is as big as a sprout, around the weight of a coin, and is now officially a fetus. In the previous weeks, you may have wondered when you will finally get a big belly. Well, if you're 11 weeks pregnant, your belly can just suddenly show up. In this week, a small belly is already visible, because the uterus is growing to make room for your baby. With a bit of luck, you will notice when you are 11 weeks pregnant that you are suddenly less nauseous than previous weeks. Your body is now used to being pregnant and your hormones are more balanced. As soon as you are less nauseous, the pregnancy will be easier to endure. Unfortunately, there are also women who suffer even more nausea. Unfortunately, there is little that can be done about this. Many experts recommend only announcing your pregnancy during week 12. And this is not without reason. The first trimester is the riskiest period of pregnancy. Fortunately, at 11 weeks of your pregnancy, you are almost through this critical phase. There is of course a lot going on in your belly when you are pregnant. It will also be no surprise that you will feel that every now and then. Yet, it can be quite unsettling to suddenly suffer from abdominal pain or cramps in your stomach. You probably immediately wonder if your baby is doing well. However, in most cases there will be no problems. Your uterus is growing at the moment, which can squeeze your other organs a bit and that can cause some pain. In addition, you can suffer from ligament pain due to the growth of the uterus. This ligament pain can be a stabbing pain on the sides of your lower abdomen. Though it causes you discomfort, it is not dangerous for your child. In this week you probably also have your first ultrasound planned, although there are midwives who perform this earlier. Some even do it as early as week 8, but there are many who wait until week 11, because the developments are already much further than the prior weeks. During this ultrasound, you will hear the heartbeat of your son or daughter, and this will definitely give you a wonderful feeling.